Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to get your Wise IBAN number. Now, if you don't already have the Wise app, go ahead and download this on your App Store or your Google Play Store. Or you can go ahead and visit your website, which is onwise.com. Let's go ahead and log into our account. And for us to go ahead and see our IBAN number, this depends on the currency that you are using. Each currency or bank account has its own IBAN number. So for us to go ahead and view each one, go ahead and select one of them. So say for example, we'll take a look at the European one or the Euros currency. So go ahead and click on this. For us to go ahead and find the IBAN number, if you take a look on under the EUR balance, there is a link for us to go ahead and click. This actually gives more details in terms of the currency itself. So just go ahead and click on this. Once that this loads up, you should be able to see that one of the options is the IBAN right here. You can also go ahead and view this on the other currencies. All you need to do is to go ahead and open them up. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.